They laid a foot on that fence.
varsity jacket. I don't know that. Slow your ball down.
Better.
Like my hand was half out of it. It would have went right in the gutter. So I stopped. And he's like, "That's hardly hard." He's like, "I can't do that." I was like, "Well, either I was stopping or I was going in the gutter." Come on, Wendell. Nice.
What up, everybody? Wendell here for B.L.B. Just finished Tuesday morning league, on my way home. As you can see, I'm sporting the facial vestibule for No Shave November. It just keeps growing and growing. So I did a ball trade with my buddy. He had a store in virtual gravity. I had a radical quick fix. He wanted the quick fix, but before I bought it, so I'm like, I'll trade you the quick fix for the virtual gravity. Virtual gravity was shiny, pin was up and to the left, almost a left-hand drilling, but worked for a righty. Ball skidded too much, so I went and put a 2000 pad on it. Threw that all morning. I had 689 with games of 234, 254, and in the last game I had to move 2 boards left. Managed to shoot 201. Everything felt great. The ball came off the hand nice and clean. A couple of the shots were meh. So tomorrow night, I'll probably throw that ball again. Might have to make a ball change like usual Wednesday nights. And I'll see everybody tomorrow for Wednesday night league. I don't remember what pair I'm on, and I don't remember who I bowl, but we'll see how it goes. And I'll see y'all.
Got down the right side.
Think of the baby, mommy. Grandmommy.
I'm thinking of grandma.
Grandma is.
We gotta reset that. Something's wrong.
Hold it, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, I'm on my way, Elizabeth.
Hey, don't have a heart attack, man. I need.
Oh, you should have look.
It might be 90 degrees tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I couldn't believe I made it through 2 brackets for 171.
Fucking, the kid that put my phone on,
Yeah.
the kid he was going against, the first game, the dude secured a 289.
Oh, yeah.
Honorable 290.
Oh, my God.
He was like, man, he's probably pissed. I'd be pissed.
I mean, I have 46 pin handicap, so I mean, I got through the 2 brackets. So I had 217 with the 171, and the person I was going at 260. So
Yeah, I don't know what Connor's opponent had. Connor's handicap was 22.
yeah,
And I'm just like, that guy must be living.
Hey, what's up? So, as you guys saw from League last night, that things went a little, certain things wouldn't carry. I made ball changes here and there. It amazed me that I was staying at 14.5 with the virtual gravity, and it was weird just standing there with that ball, because I remember back when that ball first came out, that ball hooked a lot. But the team I was bowling against, they had a 2-hander on there, so the 2-handed bowler effect took part of the lean, and then that 2-handed bowler, for some odd reason, started throwing polyester, started throwing his polyester ball for some odd reason, don't know why. But everything went well. I shot 591. Don't remember what my scores are. So we'll see how it is next week. My left knee's been bothering me a little bit. So we'll see how it goes next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50 followers. Well, actually 50 subscribers. Just so I can go live. That way I can go live anytime. To be able to do live videos so you guys can watch and comment as I'm doing the live. I'm on my way to work. It's warm here and a little rainy, which for November, this time of year for November is a little weird. So shout out to everybody that's been supporting me with this, with doing this vlog and everything. My best friends, everybody, family, all of them. Also, don't forget to go and like and subscribe to the House Bowling channel. Packy's got some videos up on there that are great with some of the new stuff from Hammer, Radical, all the Brunswick brands coming out. That's coming out. Beef and Barnesy show. Don't forget to go subscribe to theirs and watch their stuff. Chris Barnes Chris Barnes puts up ball review videos for new stuff coming out from Storm, Rotor Grip, and 900. And I will see y'all guys next week. And don't forget to hashtag yeah I sanded it. That's gonna be my new slogan. Yeah I sanded it. And I'll see y'all next week.